Sorry about that, battery just went flat. Okay, let's have a look at the last one on the sheet here. Filling in the definition, that will say that negative 4 is less than 3x plus 1, which is less than 4. Just by the definition, let's take the left-hand side, so that negative 4 is less than 3x plus 1. Taking 1 off each side, so we get negative 5 is less than 3x. So x is greater than negative 5 over 3. Don't have to reverse it this time because it is a positive that we're dividing with. On the other side, we'd have that 3x plus 1 is less than 4. Shifting the 1, then we'd have 3x is less than 3, so x is less than 1. So putting those together, then we have that negative 5 over 3 is less than x, which is less than 1. And then that is the solution there. And this is the solution for that one. Okay, now there's work to be done. You can look up those pages in the textbook and you can make a start on homework 7. We'll be able to do the rest of it after Friday's class. Okay, thanks.